Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Mini Cooper windows. Start by turning your Mini Cooper's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. It's important that all your doors are securely closed before you begin. This simple reset can often fix problems with your automatic windows' one-touch up or down feature, ensuring smooth operation. We'll go through each step carefully to get your windows working perfectly again. Next, locate the window switch for the window you wish to reset. Press and hold the switch in the down position. Keep holding it until the window is completely open, then continue to hold it for an extra 5 to 10 seconds. This action helps the car's system recognize the window's lowest point, which is crucial for a successful reset. Now, pull and hold the same window switch in the up position. Keep holding it until the window is completely closed. Once it reaches the top, continue to hold the switch for another 5 to 10 seconds. This step is just as important as the last, as it teaches your Mini Cooper system the window's highest point. After completing the previous steps, release the window switch. Now, give the one-touch up and down function a try. Your window should now operate smoothly and automatically. If you have other windows experiencing similar issues, simply repeat this entire process for each one. You've successfully reset your Mini Cooper's window system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.